Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw Christmas donut. But at the beginning, I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, cause we upload new videos every day. And here you can see that I have drawn two circles with the help of my compass. And now I'm drawing the decoration. As this is Christmas donut, so it should have something like Christmas. Okay. Now here's some melting chocolate. This is a chubby donut. So here's her beautiful eyes and a smiley little mouth. Some sprinkles. Wow! My drawing is done. Let's do the outline. Let's do it faster. My outline is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm using pink. Wow! Now I'm using red. Green. Now let's color the sprinkles. Wow! My Christmas donut is almost done, but I'm making its cheek pink. This is how you can draw a Christmas donut within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.